Hi everyone, this is my story. A madman. Adam has a new motorbike. This arrived when he graduated. A nice day, he tried enjoy his, but suddenly he impacted to the girl who goes opposite. The girl falls, and she is so angry, but Adam ignored her. He only attended to her pink bicycle. She, he felt like it. The girl notices. She says, "Okay, I will um, excuse you if you scratch your motorbike to me." Adam said, "Really? You sure that?" He agreed immediately. And then he gave her the key and said, "Here the key." Then he got on her bike and ride home with a happy face. The girl stand on the sidewalk. Uh, she said, "This a madman. He's so stupid." Then she got on his bike and uh, drive home.